Hello children, welcome in the second class of History Lesson 4, the first cities. In our previous class we have discussed about the contemporary civilization of Harappan or Indus Valley civilization which are located in India. The other three contemporary civilization are the Mesopotamian civilization which is now modern Iraq, the Egyptian civilization Egypt, and the Hong Ho River Valley civilization which is situated in China. So the Harappan civilization developed about 500 years ago, and the period in between is 2500 BC or CE to 1500 CE. This civilization, Indus Valley civilization, is also known as Harappan civilization, which evolved along the Indus River and its tributaries. Its main sites are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Chanhu-daro, Lothal, Kalibangan, Banawali, Dholvera, Ropar, Alamgir, etc. So these are some important sites which are excavated by the archaeologist. So children, as I told this before also, that the Indus Valley civilization was an urban civilization. Its special feature was urbanization. Now what is urbanization? You can see or you can learn this with an example, that what is the difference between you see in rural areas, that is village, and a big city. City like Delhi, Bombay, Kolkata, or any other big cities, like any capital of any state like Bhopal, Indore. So the difference you will see in these cities has good network of many cities or many areas, good economic activities, the infrastructure is very good. You will see better facilities of buses, transport, good roads, broad roads. The offices and the buildings you will see very big and better. They are having lots of facilities also. You will see lots of political head offices and government offices located in those cities. There are many good job opportunities, various type of job opportunities and livelihood facilities, industrialization, developed military, cultural development like art, dance, music. There are many opportunities for such things, and vast social interactions. So that makes any city urbanized. So Indus Valley civilization was also such kind of civilization which was having some unique features. So children, in the Indus Valley civilization was also having some unique or distinctive special features which made this civilization an urban civilization. So these features are well-planned towns and cities, the use of baked brick, drainage system, white streets, the great bath, and granaries. So one by one we will discuss about these features which were used for a town planning. So children, the Indus Valley civilization was highly sophisticated civilization with a much organized way of living. Their town planning proves that they lived a highly civilized and developed life. Their town planning and the developed infrastructure were much better as we are having in our metropolitan or cosmopolitan cities. They were highly advanced during that time also, comparatively to us. So it was the first world planned cities which found in India, and it was the best civilization among the four civilizations which we have learned earlier, that was Mesopotamia, China, and Egypt civilization. So the Indus Valley civilization was the best among all four because of its unique features. Now, what were the unique features or special features? Its first special feature was town planning. It's the town planning of Indus Valley civilization. Its all towns and cities were well planned. Most of the cities were divided into two parts. Number one, citadel. It was also known as the upper town, and the second was the lower town. The western part was built on a higher ground or a raised ground called the citadel or the upper town. Citadel had higher walls to protect it from the floods. It contained important buildings like granaries, public buildings, workshops, warehouses, the great bath, etc. The lower town was built in the eastern part of the city. It was on the lower level than the citadel, but much bigger and larger than the citadel. Thus, it shows the citadel was probably for the ruling class to live, and lower towns contained houses of the common people, their workplaces, and markets. The remarkable feature of the town planning was its grid system. Now, what is grid system? It is a pattern of horizontal and vertical lines, as you see in a graph copy or in a maths copy. So, the cities and towns had a rectangular grid pattern. Roads were straight and cut each other at right angles. The roads divided the city into many rectangular blocks which were built by burnt brick. All the homes, roads, drains were built from dried or baked mud or clayed bricks. So that was a unique feature because stones were not used. The size of the bricks were rectangular in blocks which were very hard and had perfect ratio in sizes. So children, in the cities of Indus Valley civilization, the houses had remarkable and distinctive features. The houses had 1 or 2 stories made of baked bricks, and every house had 2 or more rooms around the courtyard with doors and small windows. So probably 2 rooms house were for poor people and more than 2 rooms house were for richer people. So each house had a bathroom and a toilet with proper kitchen facilities, storerooms and workshops. Some houses had well also. The houses were built and designed in such a manner that they had a great ventilation system and a proper system of wind. There was light from the first ray of morning till the last evening. The walls were thick and high ceiling to keep the rooms cool in the summer months. During the excavation in Mohenjo-daro, archaeologists have found a chimney in their houses. So it shows that they are having very good infrastructure of houses. So children, another and the most special feature of these cities was their well-developed drainage system. Every house had drains which were connected to the main drains of the street. The drains were about 30 to 60 centimeter deep, ran through the main streets of the city. They carried the waste matter from the houses, which led to the large drains that emptied into the river. The drains were covered with stone slabs and were cleaned regularly. The street drains were equipped with main holes. So this was another unique feature of the main cities of Indus Valley civilization like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. So the another unique feature of the cities of Indus Valley civilization was its granaries. Large granaries have been found at Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibangan and Harappa, which were used to store surplus grains. Children, one great granary at Mohenjo-daro was found, which was 45.71 meter long and 15.23 meter wide. The granary had a high loading platform intended for carts where farmers would come and dump their grains. Harappa had 6 granaries for storing grains. To the south of the granary at Harappa lay working floors consisting of row of circular brick platform. These were meant for threshing grains because wheat and barley have been found in the services of the floors, means cracks जो होते हैं ना. So granaries were stored for ceremonial and religious purposes and during the time of famine or flood also. The most unique structure of the civilization is the famous Great Bath. It was the most important building on the citadel. The Great Bath was lined with bricks, coated with plaster and made watertight with a layer of natural tar. It was rectangular in shape and had stairs on all 4 sides. It had 2 large doors which led into the complex from south and other from the north and east. A series of rooms were constructed on either side of changing cloths. There were one room which was built to supply water and which was well connected with the well. One great bath had been found at Mohenjo-daro which was measured 11.88 into 7.01 meter and 2.43 meters deep. There was an outlet to drain out the used water. So children, it was kind of swimming pool what we are having today, but that the purpose of Great Bath, archaeologists believe that it was a tank which was probably used for ritual bathing during religious functions or occasions. So children, these features prove that the Indus cities had well urban planning and well designed with technical plannings. Their town plannings are noted for their baked brick houses, elaborated drainage systems, water supply systems and clusters of large and non-residential buildings. So these were the unique feature of the cities of Indus Valley civilization. Thank you.